In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams meetings not showing in Outlook. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. If you're missing the Teams meeting button in Outlook or your Teams calendar entries aren't syncing, it usually comes down to the Teams meeting add-in being disabled, an account mismatch, or outdated software. Let's start with a few quick fixes that resolve this most of the time. First, fully close both Microsoft Teams and Outlook. Make sure they're not still running in your system tray. Then open Teams first, and once it's fully loaded, open Outlook. This order helps the add-in register properly. Next, confirm you're signed into the exact same Microsoft 365 work or school account in both apps. Even a small mismatch can cause meetings to disappear. Also, check the Outlook web calendar at outlook.office.com/calendar. If your meetings appear there, the issue is likely with the desktop app's sync or installation rather than your account or calendar data. If those don't do it, move on to advanced troubleshooting. In Outlook, go to File, then Options, then Add-ins. Look for Microsoft Teams Meeting Add-in for Microsoft Office under Active Application Add-ins. If you see it under Disabled Application Add-ins, change the Manage drop-down at the bottom to COM Add-ins and click Go. Check the box next to the Teams Meeting Add-in for Microsoft Office and click OK. Then restart Outlook so the change takes effect. Next, make sure both Outlook and Teams are fully up to date. Outdated builds are a common cause of integration issues, so use each app's update feature and restart both after updating. If you're still stuck, clear the Teams cache. Close Teams completely. Open File Explorer and paste %app data Microsoft Teams into the address bar. Delete the contents of that folder, not the folder itself. Then relaunch Teams in Outlook to rebuild fresh cache files, which often restores proper synchronization. Another helpful tool is the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant, also known as Sarah. Download and run it, choose Outlook, and follow the prompts. It can automatically detect and repair problems with the Teams add-in and related services. Finally, if the core Office files might be corrupted, repair your Microsoft 365 or Office installation via the control panel. Choose Programs, then find Microsoft 365, click Change, and select either Quick Repair or Online Repair. Quick Repair is faster and often enough. Online Repair is more thorough if issues persist. After completing these steps, the Teams meeting option should return to Outlook and your meetings should sync correctly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back on track. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions.